Watch it! You might hurt someone!
The doctor has ordered me to eliminate you for his hunger and satisfaction. You will not leave my sight alive.
I've been waiting for somebody new to show up, especially from Oral Robotnik himself. Bring it on! That was fun! See you around, Tin Can! Whoa, what is this place? What the? You're not Eggman. Or are you?
I knew my finest creation would not have been enough to take you down. You're always finding ways to escape your inevitable fate.
Sound and look like Robotnik, but a lot more raspier and old.
You mean what you did to me? You left me to rot in exclusion. I was stranded on that island for weeks, desperate for food and water because of you. Satisfying my newfound hunger of having you and everyone you love for dinner.
You've lost it, Eggman. I'm sorry for leaving you out like that, but won't you hurt anybody else? Whoa.
You're not getting away this time. No matter how many times we meet, I will not fail. No more running. Come now and face your fear.
Fear? Don't make me laugh. It's not about you I commissioned, you rust bucket.
Get back here already.
That was fun, but I got a redhead on the loose. See ya!